So my child's father is supposed to be mowing the lawn. Now I can't believe they got remote control lawnmowers. Have y'all ever seen such a thing? A remote control lawnmower. What are we doing? Now he ain't doing no work. He just moving the remote control around and the lawnmower is doing all the work. He's not pushing or anything. Just standing there, y'all. You know what I'm saying? Man, when I tell you, what is this world coming to? Well, men are no longer cutting the grass. The remote control lawnmower is cutting the grass. They just sit back in the car or on the bench or lean up against the pole or the fence